Oh, great. Good morning, Governor. I wonder what it would be like if I wasn't so poor, but if I was allowed in this magical kingdom. I mean, look at it. It doesn't go. I guess I can't go. Hello. I'm looking for a Princess Chanel. You? Oh, yeah, my name is Chanel. Well then, Princess Chanel, have this letter. Thank you. Um, hey, where'd you go? Wonder what the letter is. Dear Chanel, it is with great pride that we send you this letter of acceptance into Royale High School. Once you arrive at Royale High, you will need to come to my office to receive your dorm key and locker combination. Congratulations, and we'll see you here. Oh, this letter is not me. Wow, I can't believe I'm actually coming to Royale High. New friends, new school. Wow, and the best part is, it's all for free. Oh, I'm so excited. So cool. Now, where's the princess? Found it. Oh, Chanel, you're here. What a surprise. Have a seat. Okay. First of all, I would just like to say congratulations for making it into our very prestigious academy. It is extremely difficult to make it into Royale High. Oh no, this was definitely a mistake. Why did I take that paper? Ugh, good thing I'm saying this inside my head so she can't hear me. Thank you? I mean, the tests were a little too easy. Ugh, get it together, Chanel. Just tell her the truth. Alrighty then. Well, I'll see if our tests can be a little bit more advanced for the new coming students. Yeah, good job. Here's your dorm key, crown, and locker combination. If you have any questions, feel free to visit me. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye, Miss River. Ooh, a locker, a dorm, a crown. I wonder who all these clothes belong to. Maybe I could give myself a makeover? Whoa, now that's more like it. One thing's for sure, this room definitely belongs to someone else. I can't afford any of this. The most I'd be able to afford is a strand of this fur from the rug. Meanwhile, oh, it feels so good to be back. Let's go check in. Who are you? Who else would I be? I'm Chanel. Chanel just came and got her bags a couple minutes ago, and she didn't look anything like you. Oh, she was probably just jealous of me. She was probably one of my maids trying to look like me. Okay. You keep telling me so, but I'm telling you, she looked nothing like you. Ugh, fine. I guess she was just a fake. What dorm did you give her? I think it was door number 4? Yeah, 4. Ugh, why would she give out my dorm like that? 1, 2, 3? That says, what did she do? Please, 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 let there not be someone in here. Ugh, there is someone in here. Ugh, get out, you rat. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll leave. I need to find somewhere to go. I'm not going back out there all alone. outside Pennsylvania. Maybe I can find a lighthouse or something other than being all alone. A lighthouse? A lighthouse. Okay, I guess I'll just lay down.